Today we're in Lafayette, Indiana, home of Purdue University, and we are doing a tour of the city. What do they call this? It's like an art walk tour.
Yeah.
So throughout downtown Lafayette, there's a lot of different art pieces, and so we're gonna just do a walk around the city and see what we can find. And right now we are in front of, is this the courthouse?
Yes.
The courthouse, and you can see the buffalo with the Indiana flag. We're still at the courthouse square. The family farm objects. This is really neat. So this is super cool because this right here is the Lafayette Farmers Market area. And so here's, like, there's the farmers market area, and they must set up the farmers market on this street. So that's kind of cool. I think we missed it because they do it every Saturday. Today's Saturday, and they probably already took it down for the day. Okay, so yeah, it says farmers market May through October on Saturdays. I bet they leave at 1 or something. So the art pieces are spread out throughout the city, and we have a map that we're using, but it's a little bit difficult to navigate. Nothing like walking down an alley in a strange city. But they got some really cool looking murals. I love the cat down here. Got it on both sides.
Oh, and the wall.
And the wall down there. So this mural is called Three Great Men. It's kind of hard to see from this angle, but it's got Abraham Lincoln, I believe that's John Douglas, and then John Kennedy. More alleys. Ooh, look at the train locomotive. It looks like this train has a regular steering wheel. Did you see that?
Yeah. Lafayette Gold Bridge, and that's West Lafayette. The train represents the Boilermaker, I bet.
Ah. Represents the divide between East and, or the main city and
West Lafayette.
the West Lafayette and Lafayette.
And then this is the bunch of people.
Music, it's got a bunch of different people playing musical instruments.
This one's actually made out of particle board and then screwed to the building.
Oh, yeah. I think this is a fitting mural after my famous bicycle fail.
It's 12. Made out of railroad ties.
Amelia Earhart's. Super cool. So there's 125 pieces, 125 or more pieces of art all over the city of Lafayette. So we're not going to showcase all of them. We're just going to highlight some of the ones that we come across because we're not going to probably see everything. So we finished walking around in downtown Lafayette, and now we've made our way over to Purdue University, and we're trying to locate all the pieces of art over here. But there's a cool little fountain over there. Kids are over there playing, having a great time.
Neat looking.
This walkway looks really interesting. You can't see it from here, but from over there, it's just got, looks like there's benches all the way down.
Babe, I'm walking on the moon.
So this path represents the moonwalk. Let's go in. We're just wandering around the Neil Armstrong Hall of Engineering. This is a really neat building. Apollo 1 capsule replica. So cool. Oh, neat. They've got a little projector screen of the walk on the moon. Some big steps.
Yeah, you gotta remember, even zero gravity. Even the fire hydrant is painted as a spaceman. Isn't it? Is that what it is?
I don't know. What is a Boilermaker?
A steam fitter, basically.
Oh, so it's the Purdue Boilermakers. The history of the Boilermaker. The year was 1891. A college known for its proud heritage of educating the sons and daughters of the working class began to dominate opponents in football after a 44-0 thrashing of Wabash College. A headline writer provided inspiration for a most unique nickname. Wabash, snowed completely under by the burly Boilermakers from Purdue, chronicled a victory by the Herculean wearers of the black and old gold. Never intended as a compliment, the insult appealed to the students of the day. The indomitable spirit of the Boilermaker is embodied in the tireless labor you see before you. That's kind of cool. Well, we made it back home after a long day of walking around Lafayette and the Purdue campus. We had a great day. We got over 12,000 steps in today, so got a lot of steps in and saw a lot of neat looking art. We really enjoyed it. Just a simple adventure. It was nothing more than a road trip, a couple of hours away from home. You can find adventures in a lot of places if you just look for them. And so that was kind of what we did today. We just took a drive and found something different that we don't usually do, and we had a good time. If you're ever in the area of Lafayette, they do have a lot more artwork. They have a lot of other things to do there. Prophetstown State Park is near there. And so if you're into camping, that's a really close campground. We appreciate that you come along on this adventure with us, and we'll hope to see you on the next one.